Hi everyone, I'm Christopher and I'm in 5th grade. Today I'm going to show you how you can drop out a picture in PowerPoint. It's a trick where you can choose a picture and remove the background completely. Let's get started. First, create a new slide in PowerPoint. Now find an image with a background you want to remove and paste it on the new slide. To access the dropout feature, select the picture. The Format tab should appear. Select Format and then click Remove Background. Here you can mark the areas you want to keep and the areas you want to remove. Check the image. If it's not exactly what you want, make some refinements. Once everything you want to keep is in color and everything you want to remove is highlighted, click Keep Changes. Repeat these steps until everything looks great. Now drop the photo into your slide. That's it, you did it! Use your creativity to make your presentations more engaging. Thanks for dropping by to learn how you can drop out and drop in a picture in PowerPoint.